Nothing to see here, nothing to see here. Or is it? What's happening, YouTube? It's Cichlids Strain Hunter. We coming in with another video. And today we're gonna talk about, I guess you guys can see, you gotta excuse the algae on the glass, but it's raining. It's raining baby eggs. Or rather, wigglers. It's raining wigglers. So right here, we got some highly sought after, beautiful red Tiger Motaguenses. Can't see much right now, but there they go, wiggling them about. We got a few hundred. It's kind of hard to get it to focus. Yeah, the focus is gonna be terrible. But all them little dots that look like pepper. Those are red Tiger Motas that are just born. And now of course you see the white eggs that didn't get fertilized. But right in between those are a bunch of opaque eggs. And if you guys wanted to know what the fertile eggs look like and what the unfertile eggs look like, this is a perfect example. Because as I zoom in, you see those bright white eggs? Those are non-viable. So if your whole hatch of eggs, your whole batch of eggs look like this, like white eggs, those probably are not fertilized. But if you see, if it's like day 2 or 3 and you're starting to see a lot of white eggs, and then in between those you see a lot more of the opaque eggs, those are fertilized. Now these pretty much are all hatched. They're just waiting to wiggle themselves loose and away. Now normally the mother would have took care of that, but I separated it because we got too many in one tank. So therefore the ones that are not related to the fish that are being born, they're probably gonna, every chance they get, pluck some off. So I just went ahead and separated them out. Yeah, that's what it is on a Saturday. What is this, June 10th? Yeah, how about that? It's my son's birthday, my late son. Anyway, that's all I'm gonna share with you guys for today. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Until the next one, we out.